We thought long and hard about whether this was a really good idea to do, because at the museum we're really hesitant to take in anything that is big and heavy. Once you take something that is as heavy as a huge rock, then you're committed to living with it for a long time, and you're committing future museum staff to dealing with it. As soon as people saw photos of this rock, there was really no debate about it. Everybody said, oh, that's a beautiful piece, and it would make a great addition to the landscaping that we've done out on the museum grounds already. About a month ago, a gal by the name of Jackie Crezo down in Tule Lake contacted me and said, boy, there's a fabulous rock collection down at Tianesta that you just got to see. And so I took Jackie's word for it, and we drove down there and took a look and found this really fantastic rock collection gathered in the 1990s by a fellow by the name of Jeff Dinnell. And he really had an eye for interesting rocks. We're very impressed with the collection that he made. Nobody can say exactly where he got it all. He's been gone for more than 20 years now, and so we'll never know where exactly some of these rocks came from. But it's clear that they all came from within a few miles of Tianesta. And so it's a really beautiful collection, and we're happy to have just a small part of it. Several ton of rock came off the property and came up here to the museum.
How far? Move this chain out and then it can go down again. Yeah. Right there. Okay?
We had about an acre of ground there in Tianesta, and it was just about covered, literally covered with rocks. He had a stone driveway that kind of reminds you of an ancient Roman way, like the Appian Way or something. He had gathered hundreds of rocks and paved a driveway with them, and then he had just hundreds of other rocks of various shapes and sizes, and he had them stacked up in creative ways. And he had a couple of tables about this size, and so we consulted with board members and our accession committee, and it was unanimous that we should get this big rock and a few of the others as well.